All right, hey kids. In this video, I want to go over how you can use your TI-84 to simplify little complex number expressions, whether it's multiplying, adding, dividing, that kind of stuff. I'm just going to do multiplying and dividing in this first video here. All right, the first thing you want to do is go to mode right up here and switch it to A plus BI mode. All right, this is going to allow your calculator to work with complex numbers. All right, they have a special mode for that. Press enter, and then you're going to go to quit. So now it'll be second in mode. And then all you do is you literally just type in the expression that you're multiplying here. So parentheses 4 minus 5. And then for the I, what you're going to do is this little blue symbol right here. So it's going to be second in the decimal. Second and the decimal, and then you could do times. Let's do parentheses 8 plus 2i. There it is, and it'll multiply it out and simplify it for you. All right, so there's multiplying. Not too bad. It's kind of nice to have someone do that for us. For division, I need to warn you here. On division, you are not able to do alpha y equals. All right, you can't just put the top up here and the bottom down here. For some reason, the TI-84s will throw you an error every time that you try to put a complex number, using this little command. All right. So the workaround, the way you get around that is you're just going to take the top part and the bottom part and wrap them in parentheses. So I'm going to do parentheses 22 plus 14 I, close parentheses. So I've got my whole top, and I'm going to divide by the whole bottom. Parentheses 6 plus 2I. There you go. So as long as you've got the entire numerator wrapped and the entire denominator wrapped, you can just use the division symbol to separate them. All right, enter, and there it goes. It does all that operation for you, where you multiply the bottom by the conjugate, 6 minus 2i. It does all that for you. Of course, if you still wanted to, just use your calculator for the multiplication part, you could, and still work these out by hand. Now, sometimes the answer won't turn out this nice. Like 4 plus I was a really nice answer. So if I go up here and let's say I was dividing by just 6 plus I, all right, you see you get this really awful decimal answer. It gives you the real part, and then if you scroll over, you see how it ends in an I. There it gives you the imaginary part in decimal form. What you can do to sort of clean it up, you can go to math and then convert this to a fraction. All right, and like I said, this one just happened to be a hideous answer no matter how you cut it. But this might be what the answer option could look like if they were to give it to you in fraction form. All right, that'll be it for this one, and I'll do absolute values next.